ka na. Kuya, sa ka na. Wait lang.
Ay, tama ano talaga.
Quiet on the set.
Monster, how I feel. Pictures like here. Looking through the window. Monster, how I feel. Pictures like here. Looking through the window. Monster, how I feel. Pictures like here. Looking through the window. Monster, how I feel. Pictures like here. Looking through the window. Monster,
Madapit pa. TikTok. TikTok yan eh.
Alam mo ba na hindi lang wheelchair at guarantee letter ang binibigay ng PCSO? Pati ang tuition ng anak mo sa college ay pwede rin nilang sagutin.
Paano? Ito ang mechanics.
The PCSO Educational Assistance Program provides financial help for college students in need, requiring applications via eGov app or sending an email and walk-ins, with requirements including enrollment forms, IDs, transcripts, and signed application form, processed on first-come, first-served basis on PCSO branches.
How to apply?
Create an account and fill out the PCSO Educational Assistance form within the app.
Book an appointment.
Schedule a visit to your nearest PCSO branch through the app.
Submit your documents.
Bring all required documents to your appointment or email them as instructed.
They have an alternative submission.
Some branches may allow email submission or walk-ins, so check with your local office.